fuel train brings the gas in through here into the first filter, and that whips the gas around, and anything that's entrained in the gas is going to hit the sides of that filter and drop to the bottom. And then the gas gets pulled back up through the middle of the filter and onto the second stage of filtration. That one has an actual element in there, a coalescing filter, will you? And that one will take out mostly fine mists of any water or liquid or solid oils. Both of them are equipped with auto drains. The first stage of filtration's drain is powered by a 120 volt AC electronic unit. As it fills up, it'll open a valve with an electronic solenoid and spit it out the drain, using the gas pressure to force it out. At some point, the filter will become what they call fully saturated. If it's in the red, that filter needs to be changed. As the bottom of the bowl of that filter fills up with liquids, the float valve will open, allowing gas pressure to push all that residual liquid out the bottom of the filter and into the drain. So this regulator steps the high pressure fuel that was in the scrubbing system back down to 2 psi to go through the natural gas solenoids and actually enter the engine. It has a high pressure shutdown or shut-off switch. If it's over-pressured with fuel, that will trip and completely cut off gas flow to the rest of the unit. So just on the bottom here, there's a manual reset. So if the unit is over-pressured and it shuts off fuel, you need to reset that. And you'll know if it's done that by the gauge at the bottom of the fuel train. And at that point, you're supposed to be around 2 psi. If there's a severe pressure, overpressure to the unit, this first knockdown regulator will blow any excess out down the excess blow-off tube and out the back and up top, so that you're not blowing off that excess fuel inside the unit, but rather outside atmosphere. This line feeds liquid propane. It's a 3/8 line that feeds into the vaporizers. These vaporizers are heated by warm coolant to keep that vaporization rate up. Once that's converted into fuel, or gaseous fuel, it then goes through the piping and up the tube into the turbos.